Real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this bomb twist out. If you would like to know how to get it just like me, just stay tuned. Okay, I already did this side off of camera. I'm just going to show you how I properly prep my hair before this twist out. I start with this water bottle and just spray it till it's like really damp. Then I'm going in with the I Am Long Luxe Grow Yogurt. It's their leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to apply that all over this section. And now we have this hair essential oil that I'm testing out. I will let y'all know how I feel about it in probably like a couple of months. I just want to test it out for right now. And I'm now going in with the ancient Egyptian anti-breakage and repair wow, that's a long name. Anti-breakage and repair antidote oil from the main choice. I'm just gonna put that all over the remaining strands of my hair. Don't forget those ends. And I'm just going in with my dimming brush, and I just brush that all the way through. You're supposed to start at the ends, but as you can see, I'm not doing that today. I'm just trying to hurry up and get this done because I do have to go to work. So I'm gonna do the same steps to the remaining sections of my hair, and then I will be back for the twist out tutorial. Another thing I like to mention, y'all, don't be like me. Make sure you're putting the oil on your scalp just like that. And also, I like to massage it into my scalp just to make sure that it gets fully saturated in there. Now I'm done with all my sections and they're fully detangled and moisturized. So now I'm going in with the star of the show. We have the main choice Pearly Braid Out Glaze. And it says it's for a braid out, but I'm gonna use it for a twist out today. So I'm gonna start by unraveling this section and I'm going to define my part. I think I wanna go with a side part today. So I'm just gonna go in and section off my hair. Okay. And now, I usually don't like define my parts after that. After I already define which kind of part I like, I just go straight in with the gel. And I make sure that my hand is really saturated with the product. And I start from the roots just so I can make sure that it's smoothed out. And I just go along the hair. And I pick up some more product as I go. Like I said, just to make sure that my hair is fully saturated. Make sure you get those ends as well. And now I just begin to twist. Oh, this is so self-explanatory. So I'm gonna do the first 3 on camera for you, and then I'm gonna just fast forward and let you see the rest. I'm just twisting. Make sure that you twist very tightly, just to make sure that you get a really good twist. And also you can smooth your product along your braid so you don't have to use so much gel. That's just a preference of mine. And just keep on twisting and twisting and twisting. And also when you get to the ends, you can either use perm rods, or with me, I like to use my finger, and I just twist my hair along my finger, just like this. And then it just gives a nice little coil. Alright, so I'm going to do this one more time for you guys. Make sure that you're putting that braid and gel right along the top of your hair. I can't talk, I guess, today. Then keep on going. Make sure that you get the ends. Smooth that out. And just begin to twist. Okay, and also this usually takes me about 45 minutes. So like I said, I'm gonna just fast forward this part and y'all can keep on watching until I'm finished. Okay, you guys, so these are my twists, all defined things. And right now, I'm just gonna go under the dryer for 30 minutes and I'll come back with the final results. Okay, you guys, I'm back from under the dryer. Instead of 30 minutes, I took 45 just in case, because you do not want to get from under the dryer and your hair is still wet. Like, I know it gets hot up under there, but no sis, you have to stay up under there. Or you can let your hair air dry, but it takes my hair 2 days to dry, so that was an option. So now I'm just going back in with this oil and I'm making sure that my hair is very moisturized before I take it down as well. Because we don't want any frizzies. No sis, no frizzies. So I'm just going through my hair. Okay, and now it's it's time for the takedown. So you have to be really careful with this step. Like I said, make sure that your hair is completely dry and make sure it's oiled before you take it down. And you want to take it down very slowly. Like, you don't want to rush this process. So I'm just gonna section off my hair, and I'm gonna just start from the back today. I usually start from the front, but just gonna start from the back. Okay, and so unravel starting from the bottom and just unravel. Oh, snap, Terry. Oh, snap, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Okay, I'm gonna let you. I don't think y'all see this, so I'm gonna zoom in real quick. Like, do y'all see this definition? That's why I love the main choice. Like, they come through every single time. And usually, like, you can separate your hair so it can be bigger, but like I said, be careful with that step. So I'm gonna just gently do that. My twist outs have improved so much. Like, when I first came natural, like, if y'all could see, my hair was always in a bun because I could never do this. I guess because I transitioned first and I should have just big chopped, but I was just too scared to do it. But baby, I'm gonna do a updated product review on this twisting gel, but so far I am in love with it. And I'm gonna just keep on unraveling slowly. And you unravel where the hair naturally separates. Y'all see that? Baby. I'm gonna just go ahead and finish, and I'll be back with the final results. Okay, you guys, these are the final results. As you can see, this was a bomb tutorial. The best twist out I've ever done. You know what? I think I'm gonna lay my edges today. I'm feeling it. I am feeling it, hunty. Do you hear me? Check out that definition. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh, let me lay these edges, sis. I'm going in with the edge booster. I like this edge control, but like, it's not my favorite. I'm still testing out some edge control, so if y'all have any recommendations, please let me know. I'm willing to try anything. Also, I'm going in with an edge brush because I just feel like using a toothbrush is trifling. Like, I know, like, it has to be like clean and brand new and things, but nah. I prefer an edge brush. Yeah, I'm not the best with laying my edges. I'm just trying to smooth that thing on out. And also, you can, most people pick their hair, but I like it like this, to be honest. So I'm just going in. I am testing out some new silk wraps that I made, and I will let y'all know if they're any good. So let me just make sure these are laid one more time. Now I'm going in with my silk wrap. If I can put it on, sis. Alrighty, and that is the end of this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you don't ever miss a video from yours truly. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.